Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of BakeFlix. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Get the most profitable DIY baking videos. Use for your own, or rebrand and sell them for instant profits. Learn to create beautiful bakes, stunning content, and a profitable business, all with one product. BakeFlix Video Pack is an amazing and flavorsome pack of delicious and healthy 300 baking training videos, packed with 10 ebook recipes that you can learn to make delicious and mouth-watering dishes. Start to post them online. You will get a blast of likes, views, and comments on your posts. There are people out there who are searching and scrolling for these quality food recipes. You can also use this all-in-one pack cuisine videos in various colorful ways to make money online. Selling it as is. Upload on YouTube with affiliate link. Add to cooking membership site or any other opportunity you can imagine. So, start making money now. You can use them for unlimited projects or resell them in any way you like for never-ending profits. I hope that's not you. You know that to make real money and a sweetainable business in online space, you will need one thing: selling your own product. A product that's hot, high in demand, and evergreen that people from all the fields are wishing to get their hands on. And when you sell some products you own, you get to establish yourself as an authority while keeping 100% of the profits to yourself. But creating products is not something easy for some people. For many reasons. Not everyone can make top-notch products or even have enough budget to hire a professional. We are offering you a mind-blowing and extremely profiting opportunity to get exclusive resell rights to a stunning product that sells super quickly and enable you to experience profits without any hard work. Top marketers know that people are running their dream business online by selling their own products and totally killing it. You also can start your own digital business today. Faster. Easier. By getting your hands on this complete package. This money-making premium reselling opportunity will skyrocket your profits in just 3 easy steps. What could potentially take you months of work, can now take you just 3 easy steps to complete. The ultimate collection of premium quality baking videos for various baking and pastries from around the world to help you master the art of baking and build profitable social media channel. 300 entertaining baking videos. You'll get access to HD videos for various bakery and pastries from around the world. It's an excellent way to train yourself. Or upload it online on your social media accounts to make money as content creator. HD quality and entertaining baking process you can use to learn or for your viral content. There are many more cooking videos training for different cuisines you'll get inside. We can't display them all here. Because if there are too many videos displayed in this page, it will slow down the loading of this page. Premium cake and pastries ebook recipes. Having premium ebooks of various recipes from around the world, with HD cooking videos in one bundle is a whole package that anyone could ever require for learning and selling this high-converting product. 3. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.